Hello, welcome to another episode of Unboxing with Paul, and today I bring you the BosBos Dash wireless speaker. Let's take a look at it. Now this is the bigger brother of the BosBos drop speaker, as that is the one that we tested previously. Now you can find this speaker online anywhere from $40 to $60. And this is just, again, a slightly larger version of the BosBos drop. We're gonna go ahead and put that aside. I actually want to see what else do we get in the box. Looks like we got a USB-A to micro USB cable, along with a 3.5-inch auxiliary cord, as well as our instruction manual. And it looks like this one is very similar to the other one. It looks like we only get a 4-inch driver, so a 1-inch in size increase over the previous one. And it looks like we still get the same 800 milliamp hour battery. In addition to that, it's still the same 5 watts. It's just a larger driver, so it should give you better sound, not necessarily louder sound. And we see that this one has even more functions to it, as this one has way more buttons along to it. It might be a little bit harder to see as this has that handlebar thing over it. Yeah, you can still see it. As I said earlier, this is very similar to the other speaker that we had, as this still has the same 800 milliamp hour battery inside of it. The upgrade on it is that we seem to get better controls up here. Another mode button, play pause. This time we get a dedicated forward/back when we get a dedicated volume up and volume down buttons. And as you can see, we still get a USB input, we still get a micro SD card input, as well as an auxiliary cord input, our micro USB for charging, an on-off switch, as well as the 1/4-inch input for a microphone or some other instrument. Now the speaker itself, I don't know if you guys can see that up here, it has this little, this is glue excess. This is either the hot glue or some sort of other residue, but as you can see, it's not very confidence inspiring when there's still glue spilling out of your device. It is slotted open on the back, so it should give us more of a punchy sound, but it's still slotted, so we're gonna lose some bass due to this. However, the speaker itself, it's very similarly built like the other one. It is 2 halves of molded plastic put together. And for this one, at least, it seems like they did a slightly better job at the seams, although some of them are a little bit split, like this one right here. It's yeah, I can almost get my fingernail in between them. And then in other parts, it's very tight and you can't get anything in there. But again, it's a subpar $40 to $60 off-brand wireless Bluetooth speaker. This one is supposed to have multi-lights, and let's go ahead and turn it on. And that is loud. Holy cow. That was definitely loud. Let's go ahead and you probably can't see that very well. The light isn't, probably can't appreciate the light very well. Let's go ahead and try to pair this to our iPhone so we can play some tunes on this. Now let's see what this is. Yeah, it's named Dash. Oh my God, that is loud. Let's go try to turn this down a little bit. Well, we paired it. Let's go ahead and play some non-copyrighted music. Sounds decent. Sounds alright. It actually sounds pretty good. The reason why I say it sounds decent, it sounds alright, is because I'm always expecting to somehow get blown away by these little speakers. Oh, this maybe. So it looks like, just like the other speakers, if you hold the play pause button, it turns the lights on and off, something that is not in the instruction manual. Supposedly, if you hold these, again, you're supposed to be able to pair multiple of these together. But as I said earlier, I haven't been able to do that. You're supposed to, again, hold the power button, the M button, so that you can supposedly pair two of these together. But as I said earlier, unfortunately to no avail, I haven't been able to pair two of these two together. See, they both give me that. And neither one of them is paired to each other, obviously. Hold on. Hold on. What? We got them to work. Holy shit. So hold on. Yo. Okay, so I don't know how the heck did I just do that. Let me try to recreate that. I think I tried to do volume up, volume down on both of them at the same time. I don't know, but it worked. This time it worked. I literally did M on both of them and then volume up and volume down on both of them at the same time. But it worked. They're literally both playing. But that's so dope. We finally got them to pair together. Like, Okay, so we don't need to test them anymore. I'm just really glad that I got them to pair together. And with different models of speakers, don't forget to subscribe. If there's other topics you'd like for me to talk about, other items you guys would like for me to cover, go ahead and let me know in the comments. And as always, thanks for watching.